Hi everyone. Today we've got a talking cash register. It means we can go shopping and have a whole lot of fun. I wonder what it says. Let's open it up and have a look. There's our cash register. That's pretty cool. Oh, and here's where we put the groceries down when we want to pay for them. Oh, and look, this is the scanner where we scan the barcode. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm liking all of that. And now we've got lots of food things. Let's get all the food out of here. Oh, there we go. So we've got a bottle of cool distilled water. Neat. We have a bottle of Heinz-O ketchup. And we have low-fat milk. That's really neat. I like that carton. And then on this side of the box, I think this is the money. Oh, we have chocolates and cookies. Yum. And we have some cards. Alright, we'll figure out where all of those go. And then over here we have a fish. So this shop, as well as selling groceries, must sell fish too. He's a cool little fish. I wonder what type of fish he is. A red Roman maybe? Right, that all looks lovely. Now we have these cards here and they belong to the cash register. And what we do is we buy something and we look here for it. There's some coffee, ice cream, bully beef, milk, beer, and cake. And what we do is we put this down into this slot here. We can see that the cake is $13. Let's have 1, 3, 0, 0. Open. Oh, and he talks to us. So I've got some play money here, so we're going to put in some coins, I think. And will a note fit in there? No, not quite. So we're just going to use some coins. Wow. And then we say, thank you, goodbye. And let's take out another one. Let's put another one. Oh, beer. Oh my goodness. Beer is $30. 3, 0, 0, 0. Oh. And we put the money into the till. And we're going to close the till. And we say, thank you, goodbye. And now, on this side of the till, we have a scanner, and that scans barcodes, doesn't it? So let's have a look here. Let's find my water, and I'm going to find the barcode. There it is, and I'm going to... Wow, that was pretty cool. And did you see that the scanner, there's a little flashing light in there? Neat, I like that. Let's try another one. Let's buy some milk. Oh, that milk is $9.90. Oh, that was my fault. I had my finger on it. So I put some money in there. Thank you. We drop the money into the cash register and we close and we say, thank you, goodbye. Goodbye. And I think we'll scan something. Oh, look, somebody's bought Heinzo ketchup. Yum. There's the barcode there, and that'll tell us what the price is. I wonder if we'll get another nice tune. It's like playing musical food every time you come to the cash register. I really like that. Oh, let's put this card in. This is the Bully Beef card. And how much is that going to cost us? $1.30. Plus the cookies. Plus the ice cream. Ding. And the ice cream is going to cost us $13. Open. Yes, you do want the money. And we're going to pop some money in there. Let's pop some more money in there. All the money we owe the lady for buying the groceries. Close it up and she's going to say, thank you, goodbye. Goodbye. I think we need one more little dance before we say goodbye. Oh, I wonder about the fish. Do you think the fish has a barcode? Don't know, should we try him? Maybe he'll be a magic fish. Are you ready to do some fish dancing? Oh. That's it, guys. Thank you, fish. That's lovely. I really do like that little cash register. It's lots of fun. Oh, we've got one more card. Let's zip it in. Wow, that's pretty pricey for coffee, isn't it? $24. 24. Open. There we go. Pop some money in. $24 is a lot of money. Can you count to 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 2 tens. 21, 22, 23, 24. Yay, we did it. Thank you so much for helping me come shopping today. I really had fun dancing with the food. That was the best part. I really like that music. It was really cool that we could count to 24. You guys are going great with your counting. Wow. See you again soon. Bye.